Welcome back to my channel. On this video I have some Flaming Hot Cheetos fried chicken. I've been wanting to try this. I've been watching so many videos to try this, and I have some cheese, some nacho cheese, and some Flaming Hot Cheetos mac and cheese. See? I never had Flaming Hot Cheetos, so I left some in the bag so I could try it because I never had it. Oh, okay. So I'm about to try one right now. Some of them, it's my first time doing this, so they ain't come out too perfect. So look how red that is. Here we go. Wow.
The flavor, oh my god, it's so real, like,
I'm eating everything right now. I'm hungry. Oh my. This is so good. Wow. That was good. So I had this before. So, but I like it. It's okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna try with the cheese. This is spicy. Like I said, somebody may come out good, so don't judge my chicken. Oh my god. I'm not supposed to eat the skin, but I just can't eat this.
well, look how she ate that.
The flavor. Look at that. I think I like it better without the cheese. Oh my god. It's not that spicy. I just love chicken. Oh my god. I'm gonna put some lemon juice in this. I'm getting full. Burnt. So messy. Last one. They good. These are good. Oh, that was trouble. I'm full. I know I should have just used one cheese. I don't know why I use all the cheese. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.